If you're looking at any Mercedes 300, the C300 or the C250, any of these with the variable valve timing, this is probably one of the most useful animations to show you exactly what's going on. I've looked all over trying to find breakdowns, and I can hardly find anything that shows anything past just the magnetic valve, the camshaft adjuster magnet on the outside, which I'll show you in just a second as it cycles into it. But this is the valve right here that opens and closes and allows that adjustment of the variable valve on the camshaft, and this is a solenoid. Everybody online that you see anything, they're replacing this camshaft adjuster magnet or the solenoid, but you don't see anything beyond that as to explain what's going on in the back side of this. But this animation, I'm going to post this in just a second and put a few tags on it so anybody else who looks for any further information can find something on this. And this, I'm going to take you to the car and show you exactly what it looks like on this particular, this is a 09 Mercedes C300. Put a little light in here and see. This is what that control valve looks like behind the magnet, and it winds up pushing these. I'll hang this light here for a second and get a screwdriver or a pick in here so you can see that pushes in and out. You can see it a little better on this top one. It moves in and out, and that's the reason one of the first recommendations on this when you have an issue with this variable valve timing is to replace the oil, because this car was in pretty bad need of an oil change. This is fresh oil in it right now. Brought it up to operating temperature, running in the shop, and then took it out on the road. And when I first started it up, it was running pretty rough. Initially changed the coils and plugs on it, and then changed the oil, let it come up to operating temp, and then I've swapped both of these out. These are the old ones. I'm going to be replacing these. These are the old ones, and whenever you got enough load or you're going fast enough, it smooths out. But if you're just letting it idle, it's kind of still got a little bit of a rough idle. So I'm going to replace both of these solenoids, and we'll see where we go from there.